up, everyone? So it's official. I am no longer in my apartment. I just turned in the keys and we are headed to the new house. I am completely moved in now. I have everything there. As we're driving through the neighborhood here, it's time to take a look at my new house. All right, so this is the new home for the Tacoma and the R8. The garage is full, however, so the Tacoma will be parked outside. Let's go ahead and head inside now. What? I don't seem to have my key. Is there anybody home? Dude, hello. Brian, what are you doing in my house?
Welcome to my house.
Oh my gosh, this is awkward. This is an awkward sequence in the video. I got locked out and you let me in.
I wonder why.
We're roommates, you guys. Yep. So we got a house together. And
yep.
We're gonna take you on the tour.
Back in college, we were actually roommates. My first 2 years of college were his last 2 years of college. And we figured we're brothers, we're building this channel ourselves together. Figured we would kind of do a house together and see how it goes, give it a year or so. It's a lot neater than in my video. We were really just getting stuff in. We got my couch and the last big things from my apartment into the house. I think I'm gonna get a bigger TV. This is a 42-inch. This is a huge room, like.
Yeah, it's way small for the room.
Yeah, it's got some space to it. I don't know the square footage, like 2,500 square feet.
I think it's 22.
It's bigger than what we're used to.
We have a huge kitchen.
We have another TV here though.
Yeah, we're not sure if we're gonna keep it here or not yet. Maybe we can like listen to music while we're cooking, because we do cook and make our own food. So it's just sitting there for now.
My office is right here. So this is where I edit, my editing studio. You guys saw.
We got some hoops there and a bathroom in that door there. Hey, first take. There's a little closet here. We got some of our motorcycle stuff in. Coming up to the second floor.
So it's again a lot cleaner looking than in the video that I did. Our parents' old 60-inch TV that was in the game room in their old house. My dad upgraded their old system.
Doesn't really work that well.
Yeah, it doesn't work with my PlayStation 3, which makes it into a smart TV. So this is really just for DVDs and just...
Yeah. It's kind of like our little movie theater area.
I think we're gonna get a couch right here. So this is kind of like away from everyone, just to watch straight up movies. Downstairs will be for like the Netflix, the Hulu.
Guess we'll take a look at the model car scene.
Yep.
I don't know if we're gonna keep those there, but it kind of looks cool. What do you guys think?
I mean, we could put the high cars there.
Yeah. Moving off of this room, this is my office. So we each have our own areas. So I can do my editing and everything. Oh, I should show you guys in here. We have some parts for sale. Some of them are for sale. I still have a tire. It's brand new, never been mounted. This is a Pirelli P0 summer tire. It's a 255/35/19. So if anyone needs that, send us a message on Instagram. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell the stock suspension for the Tacoma, but if anybody needs that, again, send us a message on Instagram and I will possibly sell that. That's your downpipe on the GTR?
All the stock GTR parts. This box is the intercooler pipes, intakes, the intake boxes, exhaust tips, mid pipe.
And that's pretty much it. So if you guys need any of that, just let us know. My bedroom in there's a bathroom, laundry room, Brian's room.
Plenty of space. I like how we each have our own offices, because last thing I want to hear is me editing a video than hearing him, you know, talking on his computer. So we got a lot of separate space.
Now it's time to show you guys that door right there.
And if you remember in my video, the mystery 6-speed manual transmission car next to the GTR, of course, is the Audi R8. So we got both cars, and crazy enough, when we were looking for houses, this was the biggest garage we could find.
Let me go back here.
All right, I have over 6 feet of room in between our cars. Like doors open fine. You can get each bike in and out with no issue. You can actually get into the other side of the GTR. It's a little tight, but it's not that bad. So, R8 he can get into. I'm in the far corner of the garage here. If you guys can see too, this bay is 1 foot longer. Shorter. Wait, longer.
No, yeah. This one's 1 foot longer than that one. So the Tacoma can actually fit where the R8 is. If I am away for some reason, the truck can fit in here and still have room for all the other stuff there, which is pretty cool. You can see the difference here.
Like I said in my video, we're putting the bigger car, smaller garage, because if the GTR's here, it's harder to get in and out of that door, and it's harder to get the bikes in and out. The little car here, we have a lot more room just to get in and out.
Now something, you guys, I really want to do. If you remember seeing, Brian took my R8 from my apartment and drove it home to my parents' house, and then he drove it from my parents' house to this house. So between that month or two, my car has been sitting for probably 4.5 weeks now.
It's been
almost 5 weeks. And I definitely miss how it sounds. So we're gonna get a cold start up. Hopefully the battery's not dead. Let's go ahead and open up that garage. For the neighbor's sake, I'll keep it in comfort. Actually, nobody would be home right now.
Sure, everyone should be at work.
Should I do it in race?
All right.
It's a little bit loud. I do not know if you guys can hear me talking at all. Oh my goodness. I do not know how long we can live here until getting kicked out because that was loud. Okay, the car cooled off, or warmed up. So that was race mode. Quiet, or comfort mode's a lot better. And we can get in and out. We have like 2 inches of ground clearance each car. It's hard to find a house that doesn't have some type of lip. So this one was pretty decent, pretty good flat driveway, which is great.
You ready?
Yep, it started up.
She's alive.
I think the last time this has been driven was when I filmed the manual videos.
And we're less than a quarter tank of gas.
Yeah.
So let's make this quarter tank worth it.
That is the remainder of when you filled it up, the 15 bucks you put in.
It is.
Back in South Carolina.
Oh my gosh. I should find that receipt.
Yeah.
And see what day that was. I don't remember.
And then I burned.
That was in January.
Really?
Holy crap. That
Wow.
was like the beginning week of January.
I think I only burned 1/8 of a tank when I did my videos. I didn't go, obviously I wasn't flooring, I was just kind of slow speed, but it's been a while.
But she starts.
Nice.
Been garage kept, which has been nice.
Yeah.
Now that we have the car warmed up, I figured the coolest thing to do, not having driven my car in about 4 or 5 weeks, is to take it to the same bridge tunnel that you saw, hopefully you guys saw in Brian's video, because his car definitely screamed through that tunnel, and obviously this is louder, so we are definitely gonna have to plug our ears for this. Headphone users, you'll probably wanna take those out.
The crazy thing is the camera does not do it justice. The GTR was loud, it sounded amazing, and it hurt my ears a little bit.
Yeah.
It will do some justice for this car, but I am a little scared.
It's down here.
We're gonna keep the windows up. I had mine down, which was pretty loud. But I guess we'll just do a drive in and out, and then we'll set up the camera on the outside.
All right, you ready?
Is it exhaust into race mode?
Oh, I always leave it in race mode.
Race mode, Army tricks, guys. These are the best.
I think I'll do second gear. Let's do first. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I was here when it rained out.
Here we go, ready?
You'll probably have traction. Oh man.
Oh my gosh. Well,
Well,
it wasn't crazy from the inside.
I think the windows up saved us.
Yeah,
Maybe we'll put them down?
I'll crack them a little bit. I'll just keep it in second.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Now that was way cooler with the windows cracked.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna just kind of go this way a little bit and we'll backtrack.
All right, so now we're gonna place the camera inside the tunnel. I'm gonna stand out here with my ears closed and plugged because it is crazy loud with the echo. That was awesome. That echoed like crazy. Oh my goodness. Now, we'll do the same thing, coming back through the tunnel just to get a drive-by. Idling in here, that is crazy. We're gonna get a rev. This is gonna be so loud. I'm gonna plug my ears like crazy for this one. Oh my goodness. Straight piped Audi R8.
Let's go before we get in trouble.
Go, go, go.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah, if they didn't call the cops on me, they're gonna call it on you.
Let's put it in comfort mode and just twiddle our thumbs here. We're back at the house now, and that was definitely a lot of fun. I miss the Army Tricks exhaust on my R8. It sounds incredible. But there you go, guys. We are now in a house. We've been transitioning from the apartments to the house, and this has been our final move-in. This has been something Brian and I have been planning since we are now full-time YouTubers. We're both at one central location. We made a whole bunch of videos during the transition, so while we had days where we were just moving, we still had videos going up. So I hope you guys have enjoyed daily uploads, and we definitely have plenty more videos to come. So that's it for today's video, guys, checking out our new house. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next video.